How to find Steam Trade URL. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can find the Steam Trade URL. So let's just dive right into the video and just get on with the process. So if you want to get your Steam Trade URL, you can directly head over to the Steam application first, and once you are there you can just go ahead and find this interface on your screen. So from this section, you need to head over to the question mark box at the top right of your screen. Just go ahead and tap on it and it will open up this page. So from this page, go ahead and locate this option called inventory. And once you are there in the inventory, you should be finding this page on your screen. So you can tap on this trade offers and this page opens up. So once you tap on this, in this right corner of your screen, you should be finding a blue light with a semicircle. You can just go ahead and tap on it and it will give you these options. From this, you can locate this thing that says who can send me trend offers, this one right here. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and once you do that, you will be led towards this page. Scroll down and here you should be finding your URL. So you can just go ahead and copy and paste this URL from here if you want to share it. Otherwise, you can also create a new URL at the moment. So that is how you find a trade URL on Steam. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.